Slimer.
Ready. It is me, the marshmallow monster. Ha 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 ha.
Walk on my candle. Do sugars. Who are these heroes to show you the way? PJ Mask or the PJ Mask. PJ Mask or the PJ Mask. PJ
Mask. Alright, night in the city. And our brave band of heroes are here to save the day. It's Catboy. Hi, I'm Catboy. And I'm here to save the day. Who else?
Even me, I'm Gecko.
I'm Owlette. Hi, Owlette. And Gecko.
I'm here today.
Hi, Gecko.
Hi.
Alright, are you here to save the day, Gecko?
Yeah.
Okay. Meanwhile... Ha 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 ha! I have invented something that will help me take care of these PJ pests. I'm gonna summon the Marshmallow Monster! Ha 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 ha! To help me beat the PJ Masks! Now I'm gonna make the Marshmallow Monster come in from a different dimension. Alright, here we go.
Daddy, this one's the PJ Mask's friend.
Okay.
Slimer.
Ready. It is me, the Marshmallow Monster. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm here to take over the city. Ha 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 ha. Good job, Marshmallow Monster. It is me, Romeo. I'm the one who summoned you here. I'm gonna make you take care of the PJ Masks.
Slimer flying.
Oh no! What's that? Another ghost came out of the dimension. Who's that? Who's that, Theo? Come here.
Slimer.
Show them Slimer. Ah, it's Slimer. He also came out of the dimension. No matter. Even if another ghost comes out, all I need is the Marshmallow Man.
Oh no, Super Gecko camouflage.
Ho 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 ho. I'm gonna take care of those PJ pests for you, Master Romeo.
Oh,
Alright, go take care of them, Marshmallow Man. You got it. Ho 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 ho. Come out, you PJ Masks, and fight me. Come on, Theo.
Dad, I'm trying to get some dinosaurs.
Why?
Because
The PJ Mask has to fight Marshmallow Man.
Because they're gonna help the PJ Mask.
Okay, go, go, go.
Okay. Roar, roar.
Ho 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 ho.
You-
I'm looking for the PJ Masks. Are
Oh,
you a member of the PJ Masks dinosaur?
Huh.
Are you a PJ Mask dinosaur?
Yeah.
You're a PJ Mask?
Yeah.
Then you're my enemy. Ha ha
And
ha.
I'm gonna let you down.
That's not gonna work.
Let me bite your tummy. Yum.
Ha ha ha. I made a marshmallow. You're not gonna hurt me.
I love marshmallows. Yum 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 yum.
Ah,
yum,
ah,
yum,
ah,
yum,
who
yum,
are you?
yum, yum,
Are you a
yum.
member of the PJ Mask?
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat you. Yum yum yum.
Oh,
I
you're
love
Gecko! Ha ha! Master Romeo told me about you. You're one of the PJ Masks. I'm gonna take you down.
But I like marshmallows. I like marshmallows, and you're a marshmallow, and I'm gonna eat your head. Yum, 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 yum,
Take
yum,
this,
yum, yum.
marshmallows. Marshmallow double kicks.
Okay, and Slimer's coming to Slimer. Shh.
Slimer.
Yeah.
He's very strong, but I'm stronger. Marshmallow double kicks.
Ha! You can't fly. Only I can. Ha! I'm on the headquarters.
Oh, you think you can hide at the top of the headquarters, huh, Slimer? Well, you've got another thing coming because I can climb up. Ha 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 ha. We're not gonna let you get to the headquarters. I'm Owlet Super Owlwind. Ha, that may be a strong owl wind, but that's not gonna stop me. Take this, Owlet. Body slam. Oh, that hurt.
Okay, now she's here to up the head.
Owlet is all.
Alan, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Thanks for bringing me, but I got hurt, so I need to stay here for a little while.
Okay.
Don't worry, Owlet. We can take care of him. It is me, Catboy, and I'm gonna take you down, Marshmallow
And
Monster.
I'm a slime monster.
You think you can stop me, Kitten Boy? Ha 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 ha!
Super kitten stretch.
Ha ha ha!
I'm gonna scratch you. Scratch. Scratch.
You scratch my tummy, but that's not
I'm
gonna
gonna
stop
scratch your
me.
eye.
Ah! You think you're strong enough? My healing is too fast. That's not gonna hurt me. Super Body Slam!
Ah, you can't. Oh no, Slimer! Are you
Body Slam!
You can't.
Body Slam!
Slimer, come and bring me high up. Ways, yeah. You can get me, Marshmallow.
Are you okay, Catboy? Are you hurt?
No.
Stay here in the PJ Tower for a while so you can rest.
Okay.
Me and Gecko will take care of him. Huh, good thing I went to Super Gecko Camouflage and he can't take care of me. Ha ha ha.
And I got slime. Sliming.
You may have beaten Catboy and Owlet, but we're gonna fight you, right, Slimer?
Yeah.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. The Brachiosaurus is
You-
turning into
Ha ha ha! Super Marshmallow healing. Now I'm back to normal. You can't beat
and
me.
dinosaur is gonna land on your tummy and hit your head. Ha!
Ha ha ha
But you can stand here. You can't stand.
ha 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 ha! You can use all the dinosaurs you want, Gecko. You're not gonna beat me. That's what you think. Use Gecko.
No.
Ha ha!
The slime.
Alright, Super Body Slam on you, Gecko! Slam!
Come on, you can do this.
Super Gecko Muscle!
I have a new cat boy.
Oh,
I have a new cat boy, Gecko.
oh, hi, new cat boy. Can you help me and Slimer get to the PJ Tower? I got hurt.
Okay. Just stay there. Ah,
Oh, why is the dinosaur here? Oh.
take the dinosaur now.
Okay, cat boy.
Cat boy, do super strong. You're full. Okay. Got that.
Hey, Slimer, we need your help. Come here, Slimer.
Oh, okay. What?
The Marshmallow Man is too strong. We need something to help him beat him. Who do you think can beat the Marshmallow Man?
I don't know.
Who do you think has the power to beat the Marshmallow Man, Slimer?
It's the ghostbusters, but I can't find them.
Oh no, it's the ghostbusters. Okay, well, we'll see. Let's talk to the PJ computer and see what we could do. PJ computer. Okay, can you help us get back the Ghostbusters to fight the Marshmallow Man? He's trying to take over our headquarters. Ah! Okay.
Okay, I'm tired.
Okay. Slimer. Where's you, Slimer?
I'm here for the headquarters.
Okay, Slimer, I need you to distract the Marshmallow Man while we get the Ghostbusters here. Is that okay?
Okay, you get them outside from this place.
Okay.
But I will get them. Let me catch them.
Meanwhile, now I'm back to being Marshmallow Man. I'm gonna climb up this tower. Ugh. Climb.
Bye,
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for my channel.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Theo's channel. Say it again, Theo.